Hey guys, Sam here. I'm back today with one more video. This is from electronics gadget category, and this product is from one of the reputed brand Anchor. And Anchor, this extension spiker or socket, you can say. This is I have got a newly product. I have purchased it, and I will show you its benefit and advantage, disadvantage, everything. And I've been using this from last few of the main device. You can see I have already placed on my table, and I am mainly using this for my charging of my mobile and other electronic devices. Yeah, and you can see there's a main fuse, then switch button, then 3 LED indicators, so one more down in the indicator, then 4 sockets are available with that. Space is adequate. I won't say it's enough, because nowadays mobile charger space are becoming bigger, so you won't take one by one 2 mobile chargers at the same time, so you need to give a gap for that. Yeah, so you can see also they mentioned computer, monitor, printer, speaker, so also they mentioned the name how you can utilize this. Yeah, this cable cord, the cable cord is very strong build quality, and it's a solid premium build quality. Also on the plug point they have also done the branding with the Anchor. I will show you the back side of it. This is the back side of it. So all the screws are you can able to see. Then there is a wall hanging option. Wall is very solid, strong and sturdy. Yeah, and switches also very strong and very sturdy. And this indicator lights which they have given for voltage surge protection, that is also useful nowadays, because the voltage fluctuations are more and more days. Cable power cable length is 1.5 meter, which is almost 4.5 feet. Adequate enough, but if you need more larger one, you might have to go for another variant of this. There are options available. Talk about the technical specification of this product. So voltage that maximum it goes up to 1500 watt. Yeah, 6 ampere current it takes, and 240 volt. So if your the electronic gadgets or device what you are using is more than 1500 watt, then it is not recommended for that. You might have to use some other device. This particular spiker is very much recommended product within the range of 400 to 500 rupees, and this with it this also give you extra benefit features which is not available to any other brand at this price point at all. Hope this video is useful for you guys, whoever is looking for purchasing these spikers from Anchor, Panasonic. And these kind of products are needed for every household nowadays, because electronics gadgets and devices are getting more and more, and we are surrounded by that. So you need to have a multi-pins, multi-point sockets and multi-point spikers for that. Yeah. So please like my video, share also, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.